Hello, welcome back to the Snap-on Joseph Hull Tool Show. As you can tell in my new attire with my name tag, I'm at our tool show. I got some pretty exciting stuff to show you guys, so let's get right into it. The first things first is our 84-inch Epics. All of the risers have been a fan favorite. The only issue is the top lip was a little bit too wide, which made guys bump their heads a little bit more. It made them a little shorter. So with our new risers, you'll notice that the top lip of the riser is a lot thinner, and also the actual handle for the riser doesn't come out as far either, which is fantastic for those lovely head bumps. Take a look at this one, guys. So this is our new KHP46. You see the holes on both sides for your pry bars, extensions, especially impact extensions, because you can put all your power tools in this. Of course, you get your bulk storage drawer and all your other 4-inch drawers down below that can be double slided. This thing's modeled after our KRSC46, so 120 pounds per drawer slide set, 40 inches wide, 20 inches deep. It is a little bit taller, where you can actually put your power tools in there. Bunch of different colors available, but these are great. Folks, I'm sitting down for this one. I expect you to as well, because this one's gonna knock your socks off. So as you probably know, if you've dealt with Snap-on for any amount of time, every January we release a national promotion. Whether it's a double play or a super speedway, there's always been a draw. Well, I am proud to announce, obviously I wish I could take the credit for it, but this is all Snap-on. We actually have 2 different grand prize draws this year. So first of all, we're going to talk about this bad boy, and then we're going to be flipping it over to here. But what we're lovingly going to call, and I'm cheating, I got a cheat sheet, there's a lot of information here. This is called the Tennessee Twofer. And what this is going to give you a chance to get, and I say a chance because obviously you got to win, and you got to play to win as well. And each truck is going to get a different promotion, different tickets, everything, obviously, because there's going to be draws on individual trucks, as well as obviously the national prize, which is what you're going to be going for. So the Tennessee Twofer, obviously you're asking why there's tools and a race car on the front. Well, you have a chance, along with 10 other people, lucky winners, that are going to have an all-expense-paid trip to Tennessee for the Elizabethton Insider Plant Tour. So you get to see how our hand tools are made. And then on top of that, you get to take home a custom Profi, which is this guy over here, tool organization kit as well. On top of that, you do get a Team Penske VIP race experience at the Austin Cindric at Bristol Motor Speedway. So you get a racing experience and you get some tools to go with it for free. And of course, I said there's 2 different prizes. So Joseph, how could it get any better than that? If you win one, you're going to want to get in for the second one as well. So this guy is going to be going until, if you see at the bottom there, it's going to be up till February 14th, and it starts on January 6th. So you guys are getting a little bit of insider information on this. But again, it starts on Monday. Hop on the truck, hop on your truck, hopefully mine, because I'm going to be giving you some tickets to hopefully win. The second draw starts February 24th. So you get a week basically to breathe. You get to renegotiate on the truck, and then we're going into the secondary Hawkeye Heaven. And what you're going to get with this is winners will receive an all-expense-paid trip to Iowa for an insider plant tour of the Snap-on tool storage plant. And if you can guess what you're getting with that, you go to the tools, the hand tool plant, you get hand tools, you're going here, you're getting a toolbox for free. This thing is awesome. So you get to get a custom limited edition Hawkeye Hero 60-inch Epic Series roll cab. Plus, again, you're going to get a race experience with Joseph Newgarden at Iowa Speedway. So it's either an Indy race or you get to go to the NASCAR race. No matter what, you get some awesome giveaways. Along with that, you're going to get some freebies to go along with it. So not only are you going down completely free, you get to take some stuff back that's pretty awesome as well. Now, of course, you're asking, Joseph, when does that one end? I need to get in before it ends. So that one ends on April 4th as well. So you do have plenty of time to get in. If you buy anything during the first draw, the first phase, you will be in for the first draw. If you buy anything during the second one, you get in for the second. The tickets do look like this on the screen now. And you're going to be able to put those in via your iPhone, Android device. It does have a QR code if you've done it in the past. You know, if you haven't, you put your camera on that, you click the link, you add your information in once you have your account connected. Any codes that you scan will go in for laps, which are your giveaway tickets, and then you go from there. The other big thing, and this is kind of housekeeping, there are different surveys to do. We hate surveys. We hang up on them when they get called, but these ones do benefit you. Any survey you do, you get an extra lap or an extra ticket towards those draws. So you're going to want to get in as soon as possible. Get your surveys done. It helps me. It helps me know what to keep for stock on the truck. And obviously it helps you because you could be the winner from it. Now, the next biggest thing is how do you get those lovely tickets? Obviously, you can do a survey. You can get a ticket for free. But on top of that, every truck's going to be different. Every truck runs a different promotion. Personally, in my area, any featured product that's $100 gets you a ticket. You buy a $100 purchase, you get a ticket. $200, 2 tickets. You want to buy that Epic, that lovely Epic that I shared on my Facebook, that thing's going to get you quite a few tickets. So there's no limit. As many purchases as you make, as many tickets you get. Now on top of that, if you do have an account already and you're not looking to put anything else on it, if you've been on my truck, it's the same as our jacket draw. If you do add on to your regular truck account payment, if you pay an extra $10 towards your account, 1 extra ticket. $20, 2 tickets, and so on and so forth. If your regular payment on the truck is $25 and you give me $125, you get an extra 10 tickets towards the draw. Now these are hard earned. No one gets them for free. You do have to earn them, but obviously the more you earn, the more chances you get to win. They are limited. Once they're gone, they're gone. I cannot get any more to put in for the draw. We order our batch of tickets and then that's done. But the big thing is get them in early. That way you don't leave them in your wallet and forget about them. But you're going to have fantastic odds to win these things, guys. And I hope to see you in for the draw and on the truck very soon. And I know this is a sit-heavy episode. I know for a fact that you guys, some of you guys, haven't made it to this point or you skipped ahead. If you have, I'm going to give you a little bit of an award for that. If you're one of my customers, you can come on my truck and show that you shared this video to either one of the other technicians in the area or on your Facebook. If you can show me that, I'm going to give you an extra ticket towards this draw to hopefully win you one of the national prizes. If not, it'll be in for one of the prizes on my truck as well, which will be talked about at a later date. Thanks again for watching. Good luck, and I'll talk to you very soon.